Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 Discovering Tit. The saga continues, written by A.R. Williams. This chapter, Discovering Tit, the saga continues. This chapter gives us description of here Tutankhamun. Now, who is this Tutankhamun? Tutankhamun was the last ruler of the powerful Pharaoh dynasty in Egypt. He ruled in Egypt. Its empire lasted for centuries. In 1922, his tomb was discovered by Howard Carter. Now, who was this Howard Carter? Howard Carter was a British archaeologist. Now here Tutankhamun was the last ruler of powerful Pharaoh dynasty. He ruled for 9 years. He died when he was a teenager. This chapter tells us all the possibilities of his mysterious death. It tells about his life, curse, and tomb. Egyptians believed that there is a life after death, so they buried wealth and the things of everyday use with the pharaoh, means with their dead body. Now let us see summary of this lesson. Here Tutankhamun was also known as Tut. Tut we can say in Hindi, was a teenager when he died. He was the last successor of his powerful Pharaoh dynasty in Egypt. He ruled in Egypt and his empire lasted for centuries. His death was mysterious. His tomb was discovered in 1922. After almost 80 years, his body was taken for CT scan. Already you are familiar with CT scan. Even a forensic reconstruction was also made to solve the mystery of his life. Now here Tut's ancestor Amenhotep, here Amenhotep III ruled for a period of 40 years. He was a very powerful pharaoh. Pharaoh means king here, Raja. Then came means first ancestor as per mythology, Egyptian mythology, first ancestor Amenhotep III. Then came Amenhotep IV. He started the worship of Aten, means the sun god. He changed his name to Akhenaten. Here Akhenaten, it means the servant of Athens. He also shifted his capital from Thebes to Amarna. Another mysterious ruler succeeded him who died soon, and next came here Tutankhamun, who is famous with the name Tut, who ruled for 9 years. He worshipped god Amun. He died mysteriously, means Tutankhamun died mysteriously. When his mummy was discovered, there was a lot of wealth buried with his mummy. The things were the things were lots of gold, everyday items like a bronze razor, games, undergarment clothes, cases of food, and cases of wine. So these things were also buried with the mummy of Tutankhamun. Carter made research ऑन द ट्रेजर यानी ये जो खजाना था, ये खजाने के बारे में उन्होंने रिसर्च किया. ही ऑल्सो इन्वेस्टिगेटेड हीज 3 नेस्टेड कॉफिन, मीन्स देयर वर 3 layers in the coffin. Some parts were already looted. His tomb was rock cut. Tomb of Tutankhamun was rock cut, 26 feet underground. There were wall paintings too. Here Tut's face was gilded on the outer coffin. In the first coffin, he found the garlands of olives, lotus petal, and cornflowers. So these things proved that mummy was buried in the month of March or April. The third and final coffin made Carter into trouble. Why? Let us see. The ritual resin became hard. Means at the time of ritual, the resin was used. That resin became hard like cement. It was hardened to the bottom of the solid gold coffin. Means there was gold at the bottom of the coffin, and this resin it stuck with that gold. They used chisel to remove the materials. Before that, he put the coffin in the sun for several hours in hope for the resin to melt. Carter's men first removed the head, then they cut up every joint. After removing the body parts, they placed the coffin on the layer of sand. in a wooden box and put it at the original place. In 1968, the anatomy professor made X-ray of the mummy. The face came out through X-ray and his breastbone and front ribs were missing. CT scan means computed tomography scan was taken on January 5th, 2009. 1700 digital X-rays were taken and three-dimensional image was created. When the body was taken for CT scan by the workmen, the scanner stopped working because there was some particles of sand were fixed in fan. After using a pair of spare fan, the scan was finally done. His body was taken back to his tomb after 3 hours. Here, Zai Havas, he was the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. He observed that mummy was in very bad condition. He told that Carter had done research in 1920 and damaged the mummy. On the night of the scan, workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box. They climbed a ramp and a flight of stairs into the swirling sand outside. Then they rose on a hydraulic lift into a trailer. The trailer held the scanner. Initially, there was some problem because of sand in the cooler fan. Already I told this. Then the technician scanned the mummy head to toe. यानी सर से लेके पैर तक पूरा उसका स्कैन किया गया. 1700 digital X-rays, digital images were taken and Tut's head was scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register his complicated structure. Tut's entire body was similarly recorded. Then a team of specialists in radiology, forensics and anatomy began to prove the secrets of King Tut. A technician displayed astonishing images of Tut on a computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels. The technician spanned and titled it in every direction. Neck vertebrae appeared quite clear. Other images revealed a hand, several views of ribcage, and a narrow cross section of the skull. Zai Havas smiled. He felt relieved to see that nothing had gone seriously wrong. So, this was the summary of this lesson. Thank you, students.